Alright y'all, so the first part of February is officially done, and it's been a crazy month when it comes to sneaker releases. We had the Kobe 6 Pro Tros. Of course, we had the super limited, allegedly, Air Jordan 1 High 85 Breads. We have the Black Toe Reimagined, and then of course we had the Black Metallic 5 Reimagined. A whole bunch of reimagining has been going on. But now as we wrap up this month, All-Star Month, February, Tax Return Month, the Month of Love, whatever you want to call it, we have a couple of more bangers left. So what should you expect as we close out February? Let's talk about it.
So glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get it.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be talking about a couple of sneakers to look forward to and what to expect as we wrap up February 2025. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. January and February has been great months for your boy as far as this channel and the growth, and I greatly appreciate you guys. I said I was gonna give this channel to God and see what he does with it, and man, he never disappoints. So I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, share the content, continue to comment below. Helps with the algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, we've had some crazy couple of weeks starting out, and it was expected. You know, y'all acting a fool over the Jordan 5 Metallics. So many different things have happened, and now we're gonna wrap up the month with some more craziness as we can expect. So let's go ahead and jump up into the first sneaker I want to talk about. It's gonna be this sneaker right here, the Air Jordan 1 Unions. Now these things are set to drop the 28th if I'm not mistaken, and that's gonna be on the sneakers at release. The Union release, I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna be a little bit earlier, so as this week comes up, make sure you guys are prepared. As you guys can see right here, they already have the Jordan Wear back page set up, and this is a totally different website than the Union. So I'm pretty sure bookmark this website. Is going to be down in my description section. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the place that you're going to be able to cop this sneaker when they do drop it. Probably be a little splash page or something like that. The captcha and stuff like that when it comes to Union website ain't too bad. Undefeated is crazy, but this one ain't too bad. But nonetheless, this sneaker is extremely fire. Any Union collab is going to be grade A premium material, bro. Like, they don't slip when it comes to Unions in Travis Scott. So to be able to get your hand on this sneaker would be a blessing. Retail is going to be $200. It's going to have special packaging, of course. And yeah, just gotta look forward to it, and good luck to each and every one of you guys. I'm pretty sure as it get closer, any raffles and stuff I see, I will be doing a video. You guys seem to like that to kind of help you guys secure this sneaker. Next up is going to be a sneaker that raffles are going on right now. It is a grail for a lot of people. Not mine, because I don't rock foams anymore, but the Galaxy Foamposite. And man, the hood in the streets, and everybody's gonna go crazy for this sneaker. As you guys can see right here, it's loaded up on the sneakers app. The official release date for this thing is February 21st. And again, same thing with this one. As we get closer, I'll make sure I do videos for you guys. But I do have a couple of links that's going to be down in my description section as well if you want to enter raffles for these right now. Retail is $230 for these things. And this one right here, I'm hearing it's going to be limited. I haven't seen the official stock numbers. But out of all the foams that's going to be dropping and have dropped that they've given us, and they're dropping a lot of foams, and they've been retroing a lot the past 2-3 years, this sneaker right here is going to be one that everybody's going to be going for. That glow in the dark bottom, super iconic sneaker. Man, it's one of those ones. It's one of those sneakers. So good luck on copping these things. And when I say good luck, I mean that. I hope you guys genuinely be able to cop this sneaker, and it's people that's wanting to cop them that's going to actually keep them and rock them, not just going to resell them. And then lastly, to me, one of the most notable sneakers that's going to be dropping, worth talking about to me, because I'm a Jordan head, stuff like that, is going to be the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts for $200. This sneaker's dropped February 22nd. It's already loaded up on the sneakers app. It's going to be raffles this week coming up for these. These should be a general release, but these are clean. I don't like the fact that they took the elephant print and they got suede where the elephant print goes. But especially if you don't have the UNC Jordan 3s, these are fire. These pay homage to the fact that Jordan wore the UNC North Carolina shorts as Lucky Shorts up under his actual Chicago Bulls shorts. And if they made the reference in the only Space Jam, to me, the original Space Jam movie, the only one that matters, where he was like, hey, you got to go back and get my Lucky Shorts. So these do pay homage to that. Super clean sneaker, $200. I think if you do just your minimal footwork, you should be able to cop this thing, because I do think it's going to be a general release, so the numbers shouldn't be too bad. But this sneaker will be one that people are going to be grabbing, they're going to be after. Especially as these tax return dollars come in and they strike out on the other ones. People just feel like they got to buy sneakers, man. They don't put stuff in savings. You got to buy sneakers, you feel me? But with all that being said, comment down below and let me know what you guys are looking forward to at the end of this month. It might be something that I missed. These are the ones that I feel like are the most important that I'm looking into. I feel like they drop sneakers every day and they add sneakers to the list, but these are the ones that I'm going to be talking about and I'm going to leave you guys with today. But hey, y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, everything is just bait. A way for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Peace.